Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine. Did you have your breakfast? Yes or no? Yes, right? Okay, children. So, today we are going to see more on safety. So, last week we learned about safety rules that we have to follow in our school, home, road. Right? So these things and all we saw in the last class. So today we are going to see more on safety. Okay children, so what are the safety rules we have to follow? So first one, see this boy, he is playing in the road. But we should not play on the road. Okay children, we should not play on the road. What he is doing is wrong because he is playing. In back of this boy, one vehicle is coming. So it will lead to accident. So to reduce that, should not play on the road. Okay children? Next. Where can we play? We should play in the playground. What he is doing is correct. We should play in the playground. What and all we have to play? Everything we have to play in the playground. We should not play on the road. Where we have to play? We should play in the playground. Okay children? Then what's the second point? Yes, we should play safely. We have to play safely. See whether this is a correct manner. No, she is sitting in the opposite direction. She have to sit like this. See, same direction. Both have to face each other, but they both are not facing each other. So it's a wrong one. We should play safely. This one is correct and this method is wrong. Then we should not walk on walls or lean over balconies. See, this boy, he is walking on the wall. It will lead to, we will fell, right? Fell from this. So we should not walk on walls or lean over balconies. See, like this. Her doll, what she is doing? She is trying to take her doll which is outside to the balcony, but she can't. So if she tried again means she will fall and it will leads to injury. So we should not walk on walls or lean over these balconies. Okay children? And then we should never go swimming alone because you all kids. So you should never go swimming alone. We should always use a swimming tube while swimming in a pool. See, we should never go swimming alone. We can use this swimming tube. Okay children? So, and then we should not tease animals. They might harm us and we may get hurt. If we are teasing the animal, in return the animal will hurt us and it will lead to injury. Okay ma, we should not tease animals. Tease means make fun. Okay ma, we should not make fun of animals. They might harm us and we may get hurt. Okay children, so what are the more safety rules we have to follow? We should not play on the road. We should play in the playground. And then we should play safely. Like this, we should play safely. We should not walk on walls or lean over balconies. We should not walk on walls or lean over balconies. We should never go swimming alone. We should always use a swimming tube like this. While we are going to swim, we have to use the swimming tube. And then we should not tease the animals. Okay ma? They may harm us and we may get hurt. And here you see, write a few more safety rules that you have to follow, that you feel we should all follow. This is homework. Homework for you. Write a few more safety rules that you feel we should all follow. 2 points enough, okay? First point, second point. 2 points is enough. You have to write. It's a homework. Then the next topic and the final topic is first aid. What is first aid? So, what is first aid? If we are getting injury, suddenly we will be applying something to stop the blood and also to stop the clotting. Okay, so that is said to as first aid. First aid is the first help given to a person who is hurt. Before the doctor comes, we are giving something like first aid. Okay, ma'am? If we are getting hurt, we will be applying what? Like we will be applying something in order to reduce the blood or in order to control the blood clot. Okay, we will be using this first aid. Okay, ma? So, first aid is the first help given to a person who is hurt. This is done before the doctor comes. See, this is done before the doctor comes. So, this first aid can help and save a life. So, here this is the first aid kit. So, what are the things it will be present inside? Every school, home and vehicle should keep a first aid kit. It should be kept within easy reach. So, what are the basic first aid box contains? Cotton, some bandage, a pair of scissors and an antiseptic lotion or cream. So first, if you are getting injury, we will be applying this antiseptic lotion or cream, and then some cotton or else bandage we will be using. For that purpose only we need scissors to cut the cotton or bandage, and we will be rotating the place we will be keeping there. Okay, ma? So what is the need for a first aid kit? So, a first aid kit comes in handy when we are using the first aid kit when someone is hurt or sick. Sick means if someone is getting fever, immediately we will be giving the tablet before we are consulting the doctor. So, that is someone is hurt or sick. Someone suffers from burn, something like fire accident or something. If it occur means we will be using the first aid kit before we are going to the hospital. Then someone has an allergy. Allergy means feel sick when you eat or touch something particular. So someone will be having, like if you are eating the fruits or vegetables, you will be getting vomiting, or like hand allergy, wound will be there, some allergies will be there. Okay, ma'am? So what are the things, what is the need for a first aid kit? Someone is hurt or sick, someone suffers from burns, or someone has an allergy. Okay, ma, see here. Now you read here. First aid. First aid is the first help given to a person who is hurt. This is done before the doctor comes. First aid can help save a life. First aid kit. Every school, home and vehicle should keep a first aid kit. It should be kept within easy reach. A basic first aid box contains cotton, some bandage, a pair of scissors and an antiseptic lotion or cream. See, this is the first aid box. Bandage, lotion, scissors, everything is there. What is the need for a first aid kit? A first aid kit comes in handy when someone is hurt or sick, someone suffers from burns, or someone has an allergy. So, we have successfully completed this lesson. Shall we move to the exercise part? Yes. So, first choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Dash means to protect ourselves from harm. Yes, safety, right? Safety means to protect ourselves from harms. S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. Okay. We should not play with dash and pointed objects. Yes, very good. We should not play with sharp and pointed objects. Sharp. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. We should not play on the dash. We should play in the dash. So, we should not play on the road. We should play in the playground. We should not play on the road. We should play in the playground. Okay. We should not put our hands or head out of a moving vehicle. Very good. Vehicle. When the vehicle is moving, don't put your head or hands outside. We should always follow the traffic light. That red color light, yellow and green. Red means to stop, yellow means to get ready, and green means we can go. Traffic. 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 Okay. Cross the road with an adult. Cross the road with an adult. The red light, now only I said the red light, traffic light means tells to stop. Every school and home should have a first aid kit. The yellow traffic light means tells to wait. Green means tells to go. Okay. Then true or false? We should not play in the kitchen. Yes, we should not. We have to play only in the playground. So it is correct. We should push one another while boarding a bus. What I said, don't push one another while boarding a bus, right? But here they have given we should push. So it is a wrong one. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Yes, correct. We have to cross the road at zebra crossing. That white color line, like this white color line will be there. We can cross from here. Okay. If there is no playground near our house, we can play on the road. No, it will lead us to get accident. A traffic light is used for decorating the roads. No, right? No. Okay, ma. So I am recalling. Dash means to protect ourselves from harm. Safety. We should not play with sharp and pointed objects. We should not play on the road. We should play in the playground. We should not put our hands or head out of a moving vehicle. We should always follow the traffic lights. Okay, match the following. Cross the road with an adult. Adult means elder one. Okay, so the red traffic lights tells to stop. Every school and home should have a first aid kit. The yellow traffic light tells to wait. The green traffic light tells to go. Tick the correct sentences. We should not play in the kitchen. Yes. We should push one another while boarding a bus. No. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. Yes. If there is no playground near our house, we can play on the road. No. The traffic light is used for decorating the roads. No. Just answer the following. I will send in the WhatsApp. Okay, children. So till this, I am going to end the session. So take care, children. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Miss you all. Miss you, children. Miss you, kids. Bye-bye.